Hey, you're having your adventures? This is a piece of fenced-in land, and every day the dog runs get let out for a really good stretch because we don't have enough dog walkers to walk them every day. So this is an area where they can run free. They go right to the top there and have a good stretch, even though they have big runs. This is where they can really have some fun. Hey, you! Hey! Happy dogs. Oh, twins. Hey, you having fun? You see in the background there the everyday runs, which stretch right to the top of the hill. So they always have a lot of space. But this is our dog's adventure playground, right to the fence on the top there.